I'm Iona, I'm a folk singer from Aberdeenshire based in Glasgow, and I am launching my crowdfunder on Crowdfunder UK to fund my second album. I'm really delighted that I have been chosen as one of 20 projects to take part in the Creative Scotland Crowd Match competition. I'm in with a chance of receiving up to £10,000 in match funding from Creative Scotland, but I need your help as the funding from Creative Scotland is only given to me if I can raise that amount from 200 donors in the first 4 to 5 days. If I raise £10,000 in public donations very quickly, then I could be in with a chance of gaining up to £10,000 from Creative Scotland. This would mean an album budget of £20,000, which means I could employ over 21 creative freelancers whose livelihoods have been impacted by COVID. When this crowdfunder reaches its first 30 donors or its first £1,000, Creative Scotland will automatically match that funding and give me a further £1,000. Then it turns into a competition. The project who can raise the most in the shortest amount of time will access the Creative Scotland funding. So if I raise a further 1,500, Creative Scotland will then give me 1,500. On top of that, if I raise another 2,500, they will match it again with 2,500. Then the biggie, if I raise a further £5,000, Creative Scotland will match that with £5,000. It is a competition with other projects, and the sooner I can raise funds from the crowdfunder donors, the more chance I have of accessing the Creative Scotland match funding. Because the funding is split over several projects and it is effectively a competition, the projects that can raise the funds the quickest will access the match funding from Creative Scotland the quickest. So if you are considering donating to the crowdfunder in return for loads of exciting perks, then please do it within the first 5 days, although it will run for 4 weeks. I've put together a load of perks for you to redeem in exchange for your donation, including early access, signed copies of the album, Zoom singing lessons, virtual house concerts, song covers, live show gig tickets, and your chance to have your name embossed onto the actual CD. You can scroll down the side of the crowdfunder site to see what perk catches your eye. I appreciate all the help I can get in taking this exciting next step in my career. Even if you can't donate, share the link with your social media friends and family. That will help me enormously in getting the word out.